Hello people, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove wires, people, cars, poles or anything you want to remove an image in Photoshop by using the remove tool. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Okay guys, now in Photoshop I've got this image and I want to remove wires and I want to remove the people on the image. To do that, I'll go to the remove tool. Just hold on it and just select the remove tool. Then go up and from find distractions, just click on it and you've got three options here: general distractions, people, wires and cables. So first I want to remove the people. So I'll click on find and this will analyze the image and find the people. But obviously the kids are people as well. So I want to select them just like that because AI didn't do the job properly. As you can see, AI doesn't do everything. We still need it. Now, once the people are selected in the image, then go and press apply to current strokes. I'll click on it and this will start removing the objects on the image. Boom. And in a few seconds, the people have disappeared from the image. That's incredible. But as I said, I want to remove the wires as well. So again, go to the remove tool, up to find distractions, and this time go to wires and cables. Just click on remove. And once again, the AI will start analyzing the image and hopefully remove all the cables from it. Okay, bam! And all the wires are gone magically from the image. That's impressive, Photoshop. That's really impressive. If I had to do it manually, that would have taken probably, I don't know, not hours, but quite a long time to remove it myself. So people, that's how you can remove anything in Photoshop by using the remove tool. As you can see, it's super easy to use and it's pretty straightforward as well. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you've learned something new, I will much appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Photoshop tutorials. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.